Good afternoon, everyone. In previous lecture, we have done addition and addition of algebraic expression, okay, but in horizontal method. Today, we are going to learn about addition of algebraic expression by vertical method, addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions by vertical method. Okay, so first of all, we'll do first sum of practice set 30. Everyone well known about algebraic expression, about monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial. If one term is there, for example 5a, so this is monomial. If 5a plus 2 is there, then it is binomial. If 5a square plus 2a plus 3, if 5a square plus 2a plus 3, then it is trinomial, right? It is trinomial. So if more than one term is there, then it is trinomial, right? One term is there, then it is known as monomial. If two terms are there, for example, if two terms are there, then it is binomial. If three terms are there, then it is trinomial. If more than, for example, here again one term is there, like 6a cube, right? 6a cube. So if more than three terms are there, then it is known as polynomial. Then it is known as polynomial, right? Now we are going to learn about addition of algebraic expression by vertical method. I think this method will be more useful to you to solve the algebraic expression, because many of the students getting confusion by horizontal method. So let's start the practice set by doing vertical method. Now if 9p plus 16q is there, plus 16q, 9p plus 16q, okay, plus, wait, plus 13p plus 2q, okay, plus 13p plus 2q, okay, 13p plus 2q, okay. The expression should be one below other, means p के नीचे p आना चाहिए, q के नीचे q आना चाहिए. Now 16p, first add numbers, okay, first whenever algebraic expressions are there, whenever, so your first add numbers, okay, first add numbers. So what are the number here? So 16 plus 2 is what? 18. So first add number, 15 plus 2, 18, and then q. Okay? Plus 9 plus 13 is how much? 22. Okay? And p remain as it is. So this might be quite easy for you to understand, because many of the students got confusion while doing horizontal method. So this method will be more beneficial for you to solve the algebraic expression. Means first of all, write down first expression, that is 9p plus 16q. Then add another expression. What is the second expression? See here, the first expression is 9p plus 16q, right? So for write down first expression, that is 9p plus 16q. Then second expression is what? 13p plus 2q. 13p plus 2q. Now write down the q term below this q term, and write down this p term below this first p term. Okay, तो 16 क्यू के नीचे ही 2q आएगा और 9p के नीचे 13p आएगा, because only same variables will be added. Only same variables will be added. So 16 plus 2 is what? 18. Q remain as it is. Now 9 plus 13 is what? 22. P remain as it is. Now clear everyone? These are quite simple. This method is quite simple to solve the algebraic expression. Yes? Okay. Now Another method, another sum. Let's take another sum. Here 2a plus 6b plus 8c. 2a plus 6b plus 8c. Okay, and here it will come 16a plus, now here 13c is there and 18b is there. So first of all, which number will come? 18b, because b के नीचे b का term आएगा. So here it will come 18b, right? Plus c is what? 13c. So here it will come 13c. Okay, 13c. First of all, a term is there, then b term is there, and then c term. Now 13 plus 8 is, wait a minute student. Wait a minute. Okay, so here 2a plus 6b plus 8c, and here 16a plus 13c plus 18b is there, right? But when we add the expression, so a will comes near a, b will comes near b, and c will come near c. Okay, so 2a plus 16a, then 6b 18b, 8c 13c. Okay, but make sure that the sign should be the same. जैसे कि यहाँ पे सारे साइन प्लस है तो यहाँ पे कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं आएगा प्लस देते हुए. ठीक है, तो अगर यहाँ पे माइनस रहता था 13 के आगे तो यहाँ पे भी माइनस आता था. Now c will remain as it is. Now 8 plus 13 is what? 8 plus 13, what it is? 21, right? 8 plus 13 is what? 21. Plus sign will remain as it is. Now 16 plus 18 plus 6. 18 plus 6 is what? 24b, right? 18 plus 6 is 24. B remain as it is. Plus 16 plus 2 is what? 18. 16 plus 2 is what? 18, and that A remain as it is. So what will be our answer? 18A plus 24B plus 21C. Simple, right? This method will be more beneficial to you as this is the second method, vertical method. You can use horizontal method. You can do with horizontal method, or else you can do this vertical method. Whatever method you feel easy, do that method. Okay, whatever method you feel easy, you can solve the sum by that method, right? Means what? First of all, write first expression. पहले first expression लिखना है, and then write down second expression. So this is the first expression. This is the second expression, right? And then write down the similar terms one below other. Similar terms one below other. जैसे कि A के नीचे A आना चाहिए, B के नीचे B आना चाहिए, और C के नीचे C आना चाहिए. Okay. So when you will do this like this, so what happened? 8 plus 13 is 21, 6 plus 18 is 24, 2 plus 16 is 18. So your answer will be 18A plus 24B plus 21C. It's very simple, right? So मुझे भी ऐसा लगता है कि if you have any doubt regarding horizontal method, you can go with vertical method because it is the simplest method, right? It is the simplest method. Everyone agree with this? Yes? Okay. Okay, now wait a minute, student. Now fifth one also will solve. How to solve it? Okay. Okay. Now here 3y square minus 10y plus 16. So first of all, write first expression. What it is? 3y square, right? Minus 10y. 3y square minus 10y okay, plus 16, 3y square minus 10y plus 16, okay. And the second expression is what? 2y minus 7. Now here 3y square term is not there, right? 3y square term is not there, so we will not do anything with this 3y square. यहाँ पे प्लस साइन जैसे कि वैसा आएगा हमारा. देन 2y minus 7 है, तो 2y के आगे कौन सा साइन है? नथिंग. दैट मीन्स इट इज प्लस. ओके, दैट मीन्स इट इज प्लस. तो यहाँ पे 2y 10y के नीचे 2y आएगा. Why? Because y square term is not there in second expression, right? Only 2y minus 7 is there. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हमारा -7 आएगा. 16 के नीचे 7 आएगा. Okay, because no expression, no variable is there. Do you know beyond this number variable, this x, y, z or a, b, c, d, all the alphabets are there. So that alphabets are known as variables. In mathematics we call it as variables. In mathematics we call it as variable. जैसे कि 3 number है तो y is variable. 10 number है तो y is variable. 2 is number, then y is variable. So the numbers are there. In mathematics we call that all alphabets as variables. So 3y square minus 10y plus 16 is there. Okay, now we'll not do anything with this y square because there is no y square term is there, right? So 10y, 2y will come below 10y and 7 will come below 16. Okay, now plus 16 minus 7, plus minus is what? Plus minus minus, right? तो 16 minus 7 कितना होगा? Plus minus minus होता है, तो 16 minus 7 is what? 16 minus 7 is what? 9. And the sign of bigger number. What is the bigger number here? 16. तो हमारा sign क्या आएगा? Plus. Plus minus minus किया हमने. 16 minus 7 9 हुआ. और the sign of bigger number. What the bigger number is? 16. तो यहाँ पे हमारा 16 का sign आएगा plus. Now minus plus is also what? Minus plus is what? Minus, right? तो 10 minus 2 is what? 8. माइनस प्लस माइनस ही होता है. प्लस माइनस माइनस, माइनस प्लस भी माइनस होता है. तो 10 minus 2 is 8. Y remain as it is. Now we will give the sign of bigger number. What is the bigger number over here? 10 is bigger number. And what is the sign? What is the sign of 10? Negative. तो हम यहाँ पे negative sign देंगे. And then 3y square के नीचे कुछ भी नहीं है, तो वो हमारा 3y square जो है वो जैसे के वैसा रहेगा. So answer is what? 3y square minus 8y plus 9. 3y square minus 8y plus 9. Hope you clear this doubt now. If anyone is having doubt regarding this horizontal method, they can now solve the sums by this vertical method. Okay, because it's very easy. And term के नीचे सिर्फ आपको कहाँ पे ध्यान देना है? टर्म के नीचे टर्म आना चाहिए. जैसे कि 16 के नीचे, 16 के आगे कोई भी वेरिएबल नहीं है, तो हमारे 7 के आगे भी कोई वेरिएबल नहीं है, तो 16 के पास 7 आएगा. देन 10y minus 10y and यहाँ पे हमारा 2y आएगा. y square, 3y square will remain as it is. Y square term is not there in second expression, so it will remain as it is, right? So the answer is plus minus minus. So 16 minus 7 is 9. Minus 10y plus minus होता है, तो 10 minus 2 is 8. But the sign of bigger number is minus, and our 3y square will remain as it is. Our 3y square is as it is. So what the answer is? 3y square minus 8y plus 9. 3y square minus 8y plus 9. I hope everyone now clear regarding this. Yes? Okay, I hope everyone clear this sum. Okay, 3y square minus 10y plus 16. I repeat this again. Please pay attention, everyone. 3y square minus 10y plus 16 is our first expression. 2y minus 7 is our second expression. Now write down 2y below 10y and 7 below 16. Now plus minus minus, so 16 minus 7 is 9. The sign of bigger number means bigger number कौन है यहाँ पे? 16, तो plus sign आएगा. Then minus 10 plus 2 minus plus again minus होता है तो 10 minus 2 is 8. But the sign of bigger number कौन सा है? 10 bigger है कि 2 bigger है? 10 bigger है, तो हम sign कौन सा देंगे? minus. And our 3y square remain as it is because no expression is there for 3y square, right? No term is there in this expression for 3y square. Yes, I hope everyone understood this. Let me know in chat box. Everyone, my screen is visible to you, everyone? Yes? Okay. Okay, have you understood all? Let me know in chat box. Have you understood all? Everyone, please let me know. Okay. Everyone is saying yes, teacher. Okay, no doubt. Good, good. Aman, Swara, Divya. Yes, Siddhi. Good. Very good. Okay. Now let's start with the another practice set, that is practice set 34. Now here please pay attention everyone because this is quite somewhat complicated, but if you pay attention everyone feel it very easy. Okay, so after this practice set I'm going to ask questions to you regarding this, and then I'll come to know who understand it properly and who was paying the attention, because those who are going to pay attention, that students only come to know this practice set. Okay, now 4xy minus 9z. So 4xy minus 9z, we'll write first term. What it is? 4xy minus 9z. 4xy minus 9z. First we'll write the first term. 4xy minus 9z is the first term. Okay. Now second term is what? 3xy minus 16z. So here it will come our another term, that is 3xy. तो 4xy के नीचे 3xy ही आएगा माइनस 16z तो यहाँ तक हमारा एडिशन भी सेम ही था, राइट? हमारा एडिशन का जो मेथड था वो भी सेम ही था, ठीक है? बट यहाँ पे सिर्फ वहां पे प्लस साइन था, यहाँ पे हमारा माइनस साइन है, ठीक है? Now in subtraction what we are going to do? We are going to change the sign of second expression. Okay, we are going to change the sign of second expression. तो कैसे वो हम अभी देखेंगे. यहाँ पे माइनस साइन है 16 के आगे, तो जब भी हम लोग सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे तो हमारे जो सेकेंड एक्सप्रेशन के साइंस है वो चेंज होते जाएंगे. For example, here minus 16z is there. So minus 16 will be converted into plus 16. And here plus sign is there. ये तो minus sign हमारे expression का part है, right? मतलब 4xy minus 9z minus 3xy minus 16z. But 3xy को कौन सा sign है? प्लस साइन. तो यहाँ पे 3xy का क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस. ठीक है, जो प्लस साइन है ना वो माइनस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. Whenever we are doing subtraction, whenever we are doing, this is not for addition. Addition में हम सिर्फ ऐड करते जाएंगे, ठीक है? हमारा साइन चेंज नहीं होगा. But when we will do subtraction, what happens? The sign of second expression will get changed. For example, minus will be converted into plus, and here plus will be converted into minus. ठीक है? Again, I repeat this. First, write down the expression as it is, 4xy minus 9z. Then write down second expression, 3xy minus 16z. Now, when we do subtraction, while doing subtraction, the sign of second expression will get changed. Now, minus will get converted into plus, and here plus will get converted into minus. ठीक है? Now minus 9z plus 16z. Okay, minus 9z. अभी ये minus 16z का क्या हो गया हमारा? Plus 16z. और plus 3xy का क्या हो गया हमारा? Minus 3xy. Now plus minus क्या होता है? Minus. Minus plus plus minus minus ही होता है. Now 16 minus 9. If we do 16 minus 9, what will be the answer? If we do 16 minus 9. So what will be the answer? It is 7. What will be the answer? It is 7, right? 7. 16 minus 9 is what? 7, right? And Z will remain as it is, right? Now, which sign you are supposed to give here? Plus or minus? कौन सा number bigger है? 16 bigger है कि 9 bigger है? 16 bigger है, तो हम यहाँ पे कौन सा साइन देंगे? प्लस साइन देंगे, राइट? हम यहाँ पे कौन सा साइन देंगे? प्लस. देन 4 minus plus 4 minus 3 plus minus 4 minus 3 is 1 and we will give the sign of bigger number only. So यहाँ पे आएगा हमारा 1xy. 1xy is nothing but the xy only. So what will be the answer? xy plus 7z. xy plus 7z. Okay. Okay. So many of the students have given me answer before me. Okay. So 9 minus 9z and plus 16z, sorry, minus 9z plus 16z. So again I repeat this, please pay attention everyone. Now stop chatting everyone, please pay attention here. Stop chatting and only look at here and please pay attention. Now no one will chat me. I don't want any chat right now. Stop giving me answer in chat box. Okay, look at here only and please pay attention. While doing subtraction, first write down the first term like addition, then write down the second term. So first term is what? 4xy minus 9z. Second term is what? 3xy minus 16z, right? Now here minus will get converted when we do subtraction. When we do subtraction, what happens? Wait a minute. When we do subtraction, now voice is clear, everyone? Voice is clear right now? Okay. So minus 9 plus 16z. Wait a minute, student. While doing subtraction, here the sign of second expression will get changed. Minus 16z will be converted into plus sign, and here plus sign will be converted into minus sign, right? Now plus minus 9 is 7, but the sign of 16 will give again plus 3xy get converted into minus 3xy. So here it will come xy plus 7z. Okay. Now let's do another one. Let's do another one. Okay, very good. Siddhi, very nice. Siddhi has done the second sum. When other students, like for example, 5x, first term is what? 5x plus 4y, 5x plus 4y plus 7z. Okay, 5x plus 4y plus 7z. Okay, and here it will come x plus 2y plus 3z. Okay, here it will come x plus which the term is 2y, right? X plus 2y, and another term is what? X plus 2y plus 3z, right? 3z. Okay, now we have to subtract the second term from the first. Okay, why we are changing the sign of second term instead of first one? Because the question is what? Do you know the question? Subtract the second expression from the first. Okay, तो हमको second expression subtract करना है from first, so that the sign of second expression will get changed. Now here plus sign will get converted into minus, plus 2y get converted into minus 2y, and plus x get converted into minus. Okay, minus term will come. Now plus 7 minus 3. ओके तो हम ये प्लस साइन, ये वाला प्लस साइन, ये वाला प्लस साइन कंसीडर नहीं करेंगे, हमने जो साइन चेंज किया वही साइन कंसीडर होगा. सो प्लस 7 माइनस 3 इज व्हाट, 4z, राइट. प्लस माइनस माइनस, 7 माइनस 3 इज 4, बट द साइन ऑफ बिगर नंबर, कौन सा नंबर बिगर है, 7 या 3, 7. तो 7 के आगे कौन सा साइन है, प्लस, तो यहाँ पे कौन सा साइन आएगा, प्लस ओनली. नाउ हियर प्लस 4 माइनस 2, प्लस माइनस अगेन माइनस होता है, सो 4 माइनस 2 इज व्हाट, 2, प्लस माइनस माइनस, 4 minus 2 is 2, y will remain as it is. Again, which is the bigger number, 4 or 2? 4 is bigger number, so here again plus sign will come. Okay, now 5 minus 1, here no number is there, so we consider it as 1. So 5 minus 1 is what, 4, and x will remain as it is. Now which number is bigger, 5 or 1? 5. So plus 4x plus 2y plus 4z is the answer. Plus 4x plus 2y plus 4z is the answer. I hope everyone clear regarding this. Yes? Okay? Good. X plus 2y plus 4z. X plus 2y plus 4z. X plus 4y plus 2z नहीं आएगा, 5x है ना, 5x minus x is 4x. 4x plus 2y plus 4z is the answer. Yes? Many of the student? Okay. Now let's do another sum. Okay. Now here it will come 4x plus 16z. 4x plus 16z. 4x plus 16z. Okay. Now 19y minus 14z minus 16x. Now here we should be very careful regarding this. How? Because यहाँ पे 16x पीछे, फिर 14z है, फिर 19y, पहले 19y है, तो यहाँ पे y का टर्म है ही नहीं, राइट. तो और यहाँ पे y का टर्म है ही नहीं, तो हम क्या करेंगे, वी विल राइट हियर 0y. ठीक है, तो वेट अ मिनट. सो विल राइट हियर 4x, we'll write 4x plus 0y, 4x plus 0y plus z is what, z का टर्म क्या कौन सा है, 16z. okay, 16z. ठीक है, we'll write 0y. 0y means 0 into any number is 0, तो यहाँ पे हम 0y से एडजस्ट करेंगे उसको. ठीक है. नाउ 19y, तो 19y कहाँ पे आएगा, 0y के नीचे 19y आएगा हमारा, और 19y will be there below our 0y. okay. Now z term will come over where, so z term will where, z term minus 14z, तो यहाँ पे हमारा z आएगा minus 14z. okay. Now where will be my 16x, तो यहाँ पे हमारा minus 16x आएगा. ठीक है, minus 16x. 19y के आगे कोई भी साइन नहीं है, तो हम लोग उसको प्लस कंसीडर करेंगे. ठीक है, तो 4x plus 0y plus 16z. okay, so here it will come 0y. Now Now here we will change the second expression sign. तो माइनस की जगह पे क्या आएगा यहाँ पे प्लस, प्लस के जगह पे आएगा माइनस और माइनस के जगह पे क्या आएगा प्लस. Now plus 16 plus 14, z will remain as it is. Plus 16 plus 14, how much it is? It will be 30z. Okay, plus 16 plus 14, 30z. Now the sign of bigger number is what? 16. So 16 is bigger number, so here it will come plus 6 plus 30z. Now plus 0y minus 19y. Okay, so plus minus minus, so 0 minus 19 is what? 19. Okay, 19, and 19 is only the bigger number, 0 is not. तो हमारा minus sign आएगा because 19 के आगे minus sign है अभी. Now plus 4 plus 16 is what? Plus 20. Plus 20x. Okay, now 20x minus 19y plus 30z is the answer. I repeat this again, please. I repeat this again, please pay attention everyone. First write down the first term, 4x plus 16z, but here y term is there and in our first expression y term is not there. So we will adjust this y in between x and z. In between x and z, we can adjust these kinds of terms, but make sure that the value would not get changed. कि हमारा 4x और 16z वैसा ही रहना चाहिए और यहाँ पे y भी adjust होना चाहिए. तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसको 0y कंसीडर करेंगे. 0y is nothing but 0 into y means 0. ठीक है. Now 4x plus 16z plus 0y. Now second expression is 16x plus 19y minus 14z. Now here minus will get converted into plus, plus will get converted into minus, minus will get converted into plus. Okay, we change these kinds of sign only when we do subtraction. Make sure that when we do addition, no need to change the sign. But when we add the number, when we subtract the number, here sign will get changed. ठीक है. Now plus 16 plus 14 is equal to 30. Plus 0 minus 19 means minus 19y, and plus 4 plus 16 is equal to 20x. So the answer is 16x minus 19y plus 30z. Okay, the answer is what? 20x minus 19y plus 30z. Clear everyone? Clear? Wait a minute, student. Wait. Okay. No, here minus 12, here's 12 will not come. Answer is the right. Because minus 16 is there, no? So minus का sign हमारा plus हो जाएगा. तो plus 4 plus 16 is what? 20. And here minus 19y and plus 30z. This is the right answer. Okay. 12 is not the right answer. ठीक है? Because while doing subtraction, our sign get changed. Okay. And when the sign get changed, okay, so that time I have explained practice set 33 and 34.